Hello, my wonderful, amazing artists. It's me, Miss Abby, your art teacher, and today we are doing something a little different. We're doing the primary color challenge. So our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Now we usually think about paint when we're mixing colors, but you can actually mix using any supplies you've got that are in the primary colors. So today we can choose if we want to use our crayons, oil pastels, or pencils. So you can pick between those. The first step is to find the 3 primary colors in whatever art sets, art supplies you have. You can use paint too if you want. The second step is to create what I call an experiment page, because I know all of us know how to mix the colors in our minds, and we can probably tell other people about it, but we want to be able to see it too. And different tools sometimes make different colors. There might be different layering. One color might be a little bit stronger than another when you mix, so you want to have an experiment page. And that can look like this one, or this one if you want. One tool I use to help me remember how all the colors come together is to create a color wheel. For this one, I used only my primary colors, and I got all these vibrant colors out of it. And so in the middle is our primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and then outside of it, the secondary colors fade into each other. So blue, and it follows the rainbow order. It's sort of like a rainbow in a circle. So you have red. So if you start with red, red and blue make purple. And then blue. And then you have yellow and blue making green, then yellow and red mixing orange. It's in a circle. So that's just a tool that a lot of artists use to kind of keep track of color and look at it and see and look at how things come together. And I actually really like drawing them with the different tools that I'm using. I think it's very helpful to see how everything comes together on your paper. And it's like a cool abstract work of art, right? I think that's pretty awesome. I like color wheels so much, I have a pin of a color wheel and a color wheel watch. Okay, so here's my experiment page. And I went a little bit overboard. I decided to test out all of the tools that I had. You don't have to do that. You can just pick like crayons or just oil pastels. I just really wanted to see what would happen. And I've done 3 of these today. And I've learned something new every time I've tried it. I also think this looks pretty awesome on its own. I think I'm going to hang this up too. And I learned a lot about layering. Like, I discovered that to make an orange, you really have to, with your oil pastels, and most tools, you really have to put red on the bottom and then the yellow on the top. So I noticed things like that. And we've done our experiments and know how to use our tools to make secondary colors really, really well. Okay, so now that we know how to use our tools, our 3 primary colors to make not only our secondary colors, but also I made some browns, mixing all the colors together. Now that we know about that, we're ready to grab a new piece of paper or flip to the other side and really use our drawing skills and our color mixing and blending skills to draw whatever we want. You can do abstract or you can draw something out of your imagination or observation. It's up to you. You can draw what you feel like drawing today. And I think I'm going to draw a flower with all the rainbow colors. So, give it a try. I would love to see what you come up with using your colors to mix. Can you believe these only have the 3 primary colors, but I really tried to take them to the next level. Okay, ta-da! Here's my daisy drawing. It ended up looking kind of like a color wheel, which is mainly a coincidence. I just wanted to like experiment with fading colors into each other, and I decided to use my color pencils. And I had a lot of fun doing it. I was experimenting too with pushing the pencil really hard to make a darker, more saturated color or a more intense version of the color, and touching very lightly with my pencil and seeing what that did. So I had a lot of fun creating this. I would love to see how you try drawing with only your 3 primary colors. What can you make? What colors can you make? I would love to see you give it a try. I cannot wait to see how you experiment and stretch your tools. Bye. Have fun making art inspired by the primary colors. Bye. Have fun making art using the primary colors.